Hello mga kapobre, good morning. It's Wednesday again. So now, mayroon tayong pupuntahan na to have a new job and maybe it's time for me to have that new job kasi nga ang hirap na wala kang gagastusin, you don't have money in your pocket to spend your daily expenses. So I need to have that. No, hindi naman habang buhay yung jowa mong magsusupport sa iyo. So I need to have my new source of income kasi mahirap sa sides ko na walang madudukot in terms of paano mo gagasusin yung araw-araw mong pangangailangan kung wala kang peras. Tatanong pala no, bumagsak po ako sa medical po, hindi po sa employer. Luckily, I passed the final interview with the board. That was a final interview. Anim sila nag-interview sa akin guys. So, luckily napasa natin yung interview. And then, akala ko talaga that time, makapunta na ako ng Slovenia, Europe. Tuwang-tuwa pa ako that time guys. I had a lot of plans, desires. I started dreaming a lot, especially yung mga personal natin na gusto gawin sa buhay. So, sadly guys, na bumagsak tayo. Hindi naman talaga siya totally. I was diagnosed with sickness. Hindi naman tinadiagnose talaga na sakit. Nagkataon lang talaga si employer, nagmamadali at kailangan na niya ng tao doon sa company nila para magawan agad ng visa application. Kasi yung visa application guys, 2 to 3 months po yung process bago po ma-approve dito sa Pilipinas. So, sadly, hindi tayo napasama. Inanlist po tayo ng employer kasi almost a month na po yung since na medical kami. Pero ako, I still going on having a laboratory test. Although naman talaga guys, wala talaga silang nakitang sakit sa akin. But definitely, there was an error on checking up laboratory test. Diyos ko, gusto nila akong magkasakit. Wala naman akong sakit. So, hindi ko alam kung pinagkakapirahan lang ba ako or whatsoever. Kasi alam naman nila na pinarangka ko na sila na wala talaga akong budget for that. So, I need to, that is why I apply for abroad kasi nga I need to land a new career in other side of so, yun nga. So, ngayon, I started na naman gaining my trust, my determinations to myself. Kasi ang hirap kasi ibalik yun eh. Nagkakaroon ako ng kawalan ng tiwala sa sarili ko. Now, I tried to return it back all what I've lost to myself. Not just my financial, but also myself. Gaining more knowledge. Of course, nandun na rin naman na yun. Pero, I thank God, I survived for everything. So, yun lang, mga kapobre. I hope still supporting me with my plan, having this vlog. No, magbi-mini vlog na lang muna tayo kasi hindi naman tayo marunong mag-content. Ang hirap mag-content pag nagsulo, di ba? And I am struggling with my phone kasi yung phone ko palagi na lang siya naghahang. And bilis siya malubat, so hindi siya maganda gamitin. So, sana makaka-provide tayo, makaka-produce tayo ng bagong phone for us for making any content or vlogs. So, yun lang mga guys. Thank you so much for supporting my video. God bless us all and mabuhay. Thank you very much. I love you all.